Hello. I don't know about you, but I had a bad dream last night. I dreamt that I got fired, and it was pretty realistic. My boss came in, and I was asked to go downstairs and have a chat, and some other guy was there, another manager, who I recognized, so it seemed pretty realistic, and told me, like, yeah, your level of work isn't so great, and we're letting you go. And I was okay with it. But it was frightening. Frightening because I don't want to lose my job, because things have been going okay at work, and it's just kind of psychotic and freaky to be dreaming about losing your job, and then the right people being in there, and it seems so kind of realistic. And then I wake up and I'm like, it's not real. It's not real. I know it. I know it's not real. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. And I see people work and I'm like, yep. Yeah. How are you today? Great. I'm great. Living the dream. Hopefully not exactly, in my mind. Living the dream. That's not my phrase. I'm not living the dream. I don't want to live the dream. I've learned that one of the secrets to happiness is lowering your expectations. Some people really need to lower their expectations, and they'd be a lot happier. For some people, it means, like in my example, of never owning a new car. I'm not the most careful driver. I don't want to be worrying about scraping my brand new 2017 Honda Accord when I accidentally go over a curb, Like, I just don't want to have to deal with that. For some people, it'd be like never wearing skinny jeans, Just stick to some bagginess. Never wear the skinny jeans. Don't wear the spandex in public. Lower your expectations. Be content with a bit less. For some people, it means never telling a joke in public. Some people are just no good. No good. And, if you're not expecting much, then there's a lot more opportunity to rejoice. Like, I ordered something at McDonald's. I'm expecting, expecting something not so great, and then it turns out to be really good. I think that Pitch Perfect, the movie, is going to be horrible, and it turns out to be not that bad after all. So yeah, you never know, and it's important to always leave room for improvement. Yes. So that's it for today. That's this episode of My Daily Sniffles with Big Sniffles.